Shiba Inu family, what is happening? Welcome back to the channel. Here is what is happening. We've got a lot of things happening in the ecosystem here and big moves from BONE and LEASH. We're going to talk about that in this video. In fact, LEASH has been quietly crushing it, and it just hit a major price point after rallying 60%. Here's what's next for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, SHIB, BONE, and LEASH. Again, welcome back to the channel, guys. Smash that like button. Push us up in the old YouTube algorithm. Drop a comment down below. Share this with a friend. Appreciate you guys as always. We're always here rocking with you, bringing you up to speed on the latest. Now, we could take a look at LEASH, the price action. I was just taking a look at XRP there, but look at LEASH. BONE just entered the top 100, by the way. Look at LEASH, though. $691, $692 right now. But we were just up over $700 last night when we were live talking about the SHIB ecosystem. We popped up to $711. That is the high in the last 24 hours. LEASH has been on a tear in the last 3 months or so. Look at this, coming down here from $290 all the way to $690. Here's the crazy thing about LEASH. Only 107,647 in its total supply. Supply and demand tells us that the Bitcoin of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is set to do some major moves once this whole ecosystem is built out. Keep in mind, one LEASH was worth $9,000 at the peak in 2021. Now, coming back over to the article here, we can talk about the positive momentum that LEASH has shown here in the past few months, breaking and holding above the $700 level. If we can get back over there and stay there, this could trigger a reaction and send the token to test levels near the $1,000 level. So such a scenario possible due to a number of factors. The first of which to watch is there are no visible obstacles on the token's chart between 700 and 1,000. So if we can get over 700, sustain it, and stay there, there are no barriers that could stop us from getting directly right to $1,000. As an example, the last time LEASH pushed back from 700, it rose more than 160% in 2 weeks. So keep an eye on LEASH right now. LEASH's low presence on key crypto exchanges also contributes to sharp price fluctuations, unexpected pumps, but also equally unexpected dumps. By comparison, the token's current trading volume on centralized exchanges is half that of decentralized exchanges. LEASH just isn't listed on a lot of big exchanges. Neither is BONE, right? We've been talking about the ecosystem plays here for Shiba Inu, and BONE really is listed on more exchanges, obviously, and right now ranked number 95 in the top 100. But just wait until BONE gets listed on a Binance or a Coinbase or something major like that. Like, we saw what happened with SHIB when it got listed on Binance. It went crazy. We saw what happened when it got listed again on Coinbase. It went crazy again. Right now, SHIB up about 3%. We're seeing some nice price fluctuation from the mid-12s right now to the mid-13s, currently sitting at 13.16, ranked number 13. We're all kind of sitting back, waiting to see what this overall crypto market's going to do. It's been pretty boring. We've been kind of trapped in this kind of spot here for a little while. Bitcoin hovering right now below 24,000. We're going to see which direction we're going to go here. And we kind of, on the Bitcoin chart, if we bounce over to Bitcoin real quick, we kind of in the last month double bottomed. You can see here we bounced off 23.7, bounced off 23.7, and we're actually heading back down there again, maybe a triple bottom if we bounce off 23.7 again. As long as we keep bouncing off that 23.7 number, that's a positive sign for Bitcoin because it shows that we have some support there. Right now, we're kind of maybe testing that, in the process of testing that 23.7 support level again, and we'll see if we hold that here throughout the day. So that is where we're at. Just a little update here. And, what's next? Well, it's Shibarium. And also we've got a big metaverse event coming up. We'll see what happens, with that. So appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to hit the like button. We'll see you. Bye.